What if every single lightning strike on Earth, millions of them, hit the exact same spot, at the exact same time? Trust me, the result is way scarier than you think. You've heard the saying, lightning never strikes the same place twice. Yeah, that's completely wrong. The Empire State Building? It gets struck about 100 times every year. Honestly, I'm surprised that myth even survived. If people actually believed it, they probably would have been filtered out by now. So here's the big question. Could we harvest power from lightning? It makes sense at first. Lightning is electricity, right? And it looks insanely powerful. But here's the catch. A single strike only carries enough energy to power a house for about 2 days. That's it. Even in Florida or the Congo rainforest, where storms are constant, sunlight still outpowers lightning by a factor of 1,000,000. Yeah, 1,000,000. Now, Trevor's scenario is a whole different beast. Imagine every lightning bolt in the world, about 1,000,000 of them, slamming into one spot at once. Normally, a lightning channel is just a centimeter wide, but this, bundled together, it'd be 6 meters across. That's the size of the center circle on a basketball court. So how powerful would it be? Well, science writers love comparing everything to Hiroshima, and in this case it fits. That strike would release the energy of 2 atomic bombs, enough electricity to run a game console and TV for millions of years. Or, get this, power the entire US for 5 minutes. The bolt itself would only hit an area the size of a basketball court circle, but the crater? It'd spread across the entire court. The air would turn into high-energy plasma. Flames would erupt for miles, and the shockwave would level buildings. Yeah, Hiroshima isn't a bad comparison. So maybe you're thinking, okay, what about a giant lightning rod? Nope, even a 1-meter thick copper cable could handle the current for a moment. But whatever's at the other end? Yeah, it'd explode instantly. So no, there's no safety hack here. Now obviously collecting the world's lightning in one spot is impossible. But there is a place on Earth that comes close. Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela. Here, storms form almost every night. And sometimes there's a flash of lightning every 2 seconds. That's why it's called the lightning capital of the world. If you could somehow capture just one night of those Catatumbo thunderstorms and funnel all that energy into a massive capacitor, you'd have enough juice to run a game console and TV for 100 years. Yeah, one night, one console, 1 century. So maybe it's time to change the old saying. Instead of, lightning never strikes the same place twice, it should be, lightning always strikes in Venezuela. And trust me, you really don't want to stand there.